Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi.
We have this question here. If the radius of two hemispheres are in the ratio 5:2, find the ratio of their volumes. So let the radii be 5x units and 2x units. Volume of a hemisphere is given as 2 by 3 pi r cube, where r is radius of hemisphere. We know this. Therefore, volume of 5x hemisphere will be 2 by 3 pi 5x cube equal to 2 by 3 pi 125x cube, which is equal to 125 multiplied by 2 by 3 pi x cube cubic units. We can also find volume of 2x hemisphere equal to 2 by 3 pi 2x cube, which is equal to 2 by 3 pi 8x cube, which is equal to 8 multiplied by 2 by 3 pi x cube cubic units. Let's give it equation number 1, give it the name, and let's give it the name equation number 2. So ratio will be equal to 125 into 2 by 3 pi x cube divided by 8 into 2 by 3 pi x cube. So 2 by 3 pi x cube, 2 by 3 pi x cube will be cancelled out, 125 by 8. So we have ratio equal to 125:8. This is the answer.